Now it's recording. What? What? Oh. What are you talking about? I didn't do that. I don't know what Beverly is doing. Yeah. Are you guys she buying weed or something? What? It's gonna go on YouTube. Oh. You mean weed? Oh. No, this is our job. Or this is our headquarters. What's the sense? This is fucking apartment. Oh, these are homes for old people. Well, yeah, put them in this horrible, wretched neighborhood? No, yeah, these are apartments, but they're made for old people. Oh, they're messed up. Is that her? Oh. Awesome man coming from over there. I thought I was going to get the crap out. Wait, there he goes. So, like, you saw those two people walking out, right? The black guy? Yeah, and that lady. I saw him, like walking after them kind of far away. I thought he was, like, going to run up to them and, like, stab them. Oh, that's what it looked like. She's crazy. That's why I'm cool. Nom, 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 nom. I need more bracelets today. I feel like going through my bag and getting them. Oh yeah, let me show you something. She got weed. Here, wait. Yeah. Here, you hold it. Oh, they fell out. Son of a. What's up? These gauges. Oh, cool. I'm gonna put them in. They're too big. I gotta. Oh yeah, look at this. Lubricant. Really? Yeah. I needed it. It cost 97 cents. Oh, I thought you said $97. No. Yeah, it's like you can get them at Walmart. I don't need lubrication. That's why they got baby oil. No, it's for to get into your, get in your ear. It's not that kind of lubrication. Okay. Well, it is that kind of lubrication, but ew. I just use it. But these are too big right now. Putting dick lubrication in your ear, girl. Damn it! All the rest of them like fell out. Are they different sizes? Yeah, it was like a cracker chip in my hand. Oh, I got crackers in there. Oh, it's in my. It was on my hand from those chips. I mean crackers. Yeah, those are the 14. That's what they say. The edge. This used to carry candy. Did you see my video? There's some candy. No. Because my mom. Oh. Oh. You locked her out. Oh my gosh. Yeah, because it was a creepy guy I was walking with. Hi.